Alright guys, so the hot water tank is all filled up right now. The parts, gas, everything's back hooked up. So originally I changed it because there was no spark. Now we get a spark. So let's try to turn it on. So we put it on pilot down here, and then we go up here. It's on pilot as well. We push this down. We wait a little bit here and there. Going through the whole gas control valve right now, and it's going through the whole little system here, and then going down here, and then we gotta wait. Just like you have to hold it when it's new, you have to hold it a little bit more longer, and you know, be a little bit patient. There we go. I'm still holding it down for a little bit. As soon as I let it go, the flame dies out, so we have to hold it for a little bit longer more. There we go. It's on, it's off, and the flame is there, and now we kick it on. My favorite spot is gonna be always B, and then wait. There you go. Amazing. Make that fire. Alright guys, peace out.